Who is known as the father of history? Answer is option D, Herodotus. What is meant by epigraphy? Answer is option C, study of inscriptions. Marco Polo visited India during the reign of which kingdom? Answer is option C, Pandya kingdom. Friends, if we understand in detail, Marco Polo is an Italian traveler who visited India during 1288 to 92 under the reign of Pandya kingdom. The Pandya dynasty, also known as the Pandyas of Madurai, was a dynasty of South India, one of the three ethnically Tamil lineages, the other two being the Chola and the Chera. Madurai was the capital of the Pandya kingdom, whose reign was called the Golden Age of Mughal architecture. Answer is option D, Shah Jahan. Friends, Shah Jahan erected several large monuments like Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, etc. There was peace during his reign. There were no foreign threats. That is why the reign of Shah Jahan is known as the Golden Age of Mughal architecture. Shah Jahan transferred his capital from Agra to Delhi in 1638. He constructed the Jama Masjid and the Moti Masjid. He also built the famous Peacock Throne. The policy of masterly inactivity is related to. Answer is option B, John Lawrence. Which of the following freedom fighters died in jail due to hunger strike? Answer is option B, Jatin Das. Friends, Jatin Das was an Indian freedom fighter who died in jail in 1929 after a 63 days hunger strike in Lahore. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru were Indian freedom fighters who got hanged by the British government for their involvement in the killing of Sir John Sanders. They were hanged on 23rd March 1931, which is celebrated as Shaheed Divas now. Who addressed Gandhiji as one-man boundary force? Answer is option D, Mountbatten. Friends, seeing Gandhiji's wisdom and courage in Noakhali, Lord Mountbatten addressed Gandhiji as one-man boundary force. Mountbatten was the first Governor General of independent India. Mountbatten served as the first Governor General of Free India until June 1948. Mountbatten was the last Viceroy of India. Mountbatten was appointed Viceroy of India in March 1947. By which of the following treaty the First Carnatic War came to an end? Answer is option B, Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. Friends, if you understand in detail, the Carnatic Wars were a military conflict between the British East India Company and the French East India Company in the Carnatic region of India. The First Carnatic War lasted from 1746 to 48. Who laid the foundation stone of Banaras Hindu University? Answer is option A, Lord Hardinge. Who was the head of Awadh Kisan Sabha? Answer is option C, Baba Ramchandra. Friends, Awadh Kisan Sabha was formed by Baba Ramchandra, Jawaharlal Nehru and others. It was formed to fight against the landlords and talukdars who demanded exorbitant taxes and rents. The first grain used by humans was. Answer is option C, barley. Syadwad theory is related to. Answer is option A, Jainism. Whose famous work is Ramchandrika? Answer is option B, Keshav Das. On February 20, 1947, who announced that the power would be transferred to the Indians by June 1948? Answer is option C, Clement Attlee. Friends, if you understand in detail, Clement Attlee, the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, announced on 20 February 1947 that the British government would grant full self-government to British India by 30 June 1948 at the latest. He also announced the appointment of Lord Mountbatten as Viceroy in place of Lord Wavell. The bronze sculpture of Nataraj was cast during the period of which dynasty? Answer is option A, Cholas. Friends, Cholas were one of the three early kingdoms in South India during the Sangam period. The big temples of Tanjore and Gangaikonda Cholpuram were built during the Chola period. The deity of the bronze statue of Nataraj made during the Chola period is of a quadrilateral shape. The famous bronze statue of Nataraj is considered to be the best statue in the world in the Chola period architecture of South India. Which Sultan of Delhi wrote his autobiography? Answer is option C, Firoz Tughlaq. Who expressed the view that British economic policy in India is abominable? Answer is option D, Karl Marx. Who was the president of Indian National Congress when the cabinet mission arrived in India? Answer is option A, Abul Kalam Azad. After the Battle of Plassey, blank was made Nawab of the Bengal. Answer is option A, Mir Jafar. Friends, Robert Clive, a British officer, bribed Mir Jafar, who was the commander-in-chief of Nawab's army. The bribe was to make Mir Jafar the Nawab of Bengal. Clive betrayed Mir Jafar during the Battle of Plassey and did not make him the Nawab, but in turn conquered Bengal and made Mir Jafar a traitor who betrayed their country in the eyes of the Indians. When was the Treaty of Amritsar signed? Answer is option B, 1809. Friends, the Treaty of Amritsar was signed on 25 April 1809. It was an agreement between the British East India Company and Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the Sikh leader who founded the Sikh Empire. The Treaty of Amritsar marked the beginning of Dogra rule in Kashmir.